Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about the vacation in a summer. My summer vacation was simple, spectacular. I had 2 weeks for work, so I decided to something special and traveled to Santa Marta. We traveled from Bogota by plane. The Zeta came to meet with a movie sunset. The Raytons meets with the Caribbean Sea, and I imagine difficult to forget. But that will only be the surprise. I stayed at my friend's house in downtown Santa Marta and had a great time. For me, the most exciting thing was the food. The seafood cocktail was one of my favorite foods. We also did some nice walk around the street. I got a bit sunburned on the beach, but otherwise enjoyed the cool weather, food, and beautiful scenery. And I also spent a lot of time reading. We went to Tayrona National Park. We wore lime clothing, short shirts. I had never been. I was excited to explore the mountains before. It was a magnificent experience. We toured in 4 days, slept in hammocks, ate in the sample restaurant with delicious dishes. After eating, we toured a small beach that invited us to take a break and contemplate the beautiful and immensity of the Caribbean Sea. I hope I can do this some other time. I was agree there for the holidays. Thank you very much.